I am going to show you 8 options that are very useful in the node editor in Fusion. Show instance links. And so the instance link is this green line right here. That shows you it is an instance of this node, okay? If you want to remove that green line that tells you that, right click in this, uncheck show instance links, and then it will get rid of that. It just doesn't have that line. Show navigator. So the other thing that I want to show you is that you can hide or reveal the navigator. You can navigate with this. So let's say you're zoomed in on stuff and you can't see all your nodes. You can click on this to easily navigate to another one that's far away. But if you want to get more real estate in your node area, you click V to hide it. And so then you have more room in this corner to do that. Orthogonal pipes. So next option that we're going to go over is orthogonal pipes. Orthogonal pipes. So this will just allow you to change the pipe from a straight line to a orthogonal line. I can't say that word, oh my god. So it'll create an L shape, you know, it'll have a curve. Maybe you prefer this over the straight lines. I know I don't, but if you like it, by all means, do it. Arrange to grid. Now, the next thing I want to go over is probably the most important in terms of editing with nodes, and that is choosing to arrange your tools, your nodes, to grid or to connected. If they are to grid, the nodes are going to align to those grid lines. Before I move on to the to connected option, hide the grid. Understand that you also can hide the grid. So this show grid option, uncheck that, okay? Now you don't even see the grid lines, all right? So it's kind of nice, kind of smooth. It will still arrange it to the grid, you just don't see the lines, so keep that in mind, all right? Arrange to connected. And so then to arrange it to connected, it just arranges your nodes to the connected lines, so it snaps the lines into place. Line all tools to grid. Next step that I want to show you is that you can choose the quick option to line up all tools to grid, and it will literally automatically line everything up to the grid and keep it all snugged together. You can undo that if you wanted to, if you misclicked. Types always visible. You can have a line showing at all times, even above nodes. But let's say I wanted to connect this background up to that merge, but you can see it's over the nodes. Let me show you if I were to have this option turned off, okay? So pipes always visible. Now it's kind of hard to tell if this background is actually connected to this merge. It kind of looks like the transform is connected to the alpha channel of the merge. If you have multiple connections in a straight line to different nodes and you want to see both connections very easily, that's when it can come in handy if your layout looks like that. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. And if you did, awesome. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll answer to the best of my ability. And I hope you enjoyed the relaxed editing this time. If not, I'm sorry. But without further ado, I will see you guys next time.